Hi ladies, Renee here for another hair tutorial. Today I'm going to be sharing with you all my secrets to creating my deep conditioning hair mix. Now this mix is great if you want long, healthy, luscious, relaxed hair, and it also helps to bring back moisture and shine. So if you're ready for all my secrets, let's jump into the video. So here's all the items I'm going to be using for today's wash day routine and also to create the deep conditioning mix. In a bowl, I'll be mixing a packet of the ORS replenishing conditioner, which will help to bring moisture back to my strands. Next, I'm going to be adding 2 teaspoons of the Originals hair mayonnaise, and that's going to bring protein to the mix. Next, I'll be adding a teaspoon of coconut oil. Coconut oil is great for moisture and to reduce breakage. Next, I'm going to be adding the avocado oil, which is a great penetrating oil, and it also helps to bring moisture. In that bottle, it's just my leftover hot oil treatment, so nothing goes to waste. I'm going to be linking that in the description below. Next, I'm going to add a drop of olive oil and then a couple drops of marula oil. The benefits of olive oil is that it softens and strengthens your hair, and then marula oil is a great preventative oil that helps to hold in moisture and also hydrates your hair. Because my hair is longer, I'm just adding a little bit more replenishing conditioner in my hair. But if your hair is shorter, don't worry, you can use less of this mix. Now I'm just washing my hair in my regular wash day routine. After I shampoo my hair, I'm going to add the 2-minute reconstructor from Avocado. I'm going to let this sit in my hair for the next 3 minutes. After washing the product out of my hair, then I'm going to add a hair mask. Now this hair mask smells incredible and I just love it. I'm going to let this hair mask sit in my hair for the next 5 minutes. So after I completely cleanse my hair, then it's time to add the secret deep conditioning mix. Well, it's a secret no more. I'm going to section my hair into 4 sections. And then I'm going to coat the hair from root to tip to make sure that all of the product gets to every strand. If you have too much product, then you can save that for later in a container. You do not have to put it in the fridge. But if you have too little, then that's fine. You can make a little bit more. Here I have just enough. Now I'm going to cover my hair with a plastic cap and also a cap. Well, you can call it a beanie or you can call it a toque. In Canada, we call it a toque. This is going to open up the hair follicles and lift the cuticles so that it absorbs more of the product. We're going to let this sit for 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes is up, then you can take off your cap and feel the natural warmth of your scalp. This is going to soften your new growth, and now it's time to wash out the treatment. Once you're sure all the treatment is washed out of your hair, it's time to wrap it in a cotton t-shirt. We use a cotton t-shirt because we want to prevent breakage by reducing friction. Alright, so I've blow dried and straightened my hair, and as you can see, it's completely flowy and you don't have any problems with your new growth. So if you like this kind of video, I make them 2 times a week, and I hope that you take the time to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.